Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Final Round AI. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an AI that helps you with interviews. So for example, during an interview, you can pull this AI up and it will actually help you in what you're going to say to the interviewer. And it actually listens to what the interviewer, or you can actually type in what the question was, or which is easier, they can just listen, the AI can just listen to what the interviewer asked you, and it will automatically generate answers for that specific question. So right here, as you can see, we are here on the website themselves. So you just click on the activate AI interview mode right now. So they have just log in and they have a test or a preview on how they operate. So if you actually head on over here to Trustpilot, they're actually rated 4.0 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot right here for 143 reviews. And basically, a lot of people are saying that they're really good. So good, I liked it. It helped with suggestions. Very helpful. The platform is great to help you prepare and practice key interview questions. The software has helped me a lot in my my interviews. I searched this AI for interview. It's good so far. And so yeah, basically, this AI seems to be legit. So a lot of people are saying it's really good. So if you want to go ahead and try using it for your interview, go ahead. It might help. It might help you. It might not give you exact answers that you want, but it can provide you with some specific answers or specific keywords that you might be thinking of, or that may be related to the question that was asked of you. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.